watching this right now, that means the 1 train is delayed.
They didn't give us a reason this time. So if you're looking for one, we don't have it.
But what we do have is some sketch comedy and a musical guest.
So sit back, relax, and I guess there's nothing to worry about. I mean, except the crumbling infrastructure and the total lack of transparency, you know.
Why is finding a good movie so hard? I just want to see one movie, just one, that isn't about stupid vampires.
Me too, Seth. I mean, it seems like all anyone cares about right now is vampires. They get to make all kinds of movies.
I know, like they have like horror movies, comedies, romances, action, and even documentaries.
Ah, they're the most privileged, overrepresented monsters out there.
I agree.
I mean, to be honest, zombies are stealing our spotlight too.
What's the difference between us and zombies? Like, really, what? Do I have to get naked to get a little on-screen representation?
I mean, like, even zombies have, like, romance films. Like, I Want to Love too, you know?
We were kings. We used to rule over the mere commoners that make films nowadays. The blood of the chosen few ran in our veins.
Okay, but I mean, think about it. When's the last time you saw a good feature film that focused on mummies?
Oh, I think there was that Brandon Fraser one. Or actually, no, in 2017, there was that one with Tom Cruise.
Hush!
Which was like...
We do not speak of this. As I was previously saying, Brendan Fraser is not even hot anymore.
Oh, but you know who is hot? Rami Malek. I mean, he was a mummy. Maybe he'd, like, support our cause.
I think he's a goner. I mean, he plays dead people still, but not mummies.
Wait, he isn't a mummy anymore? But we had one hot mummy and we lost it. Right. It's okay.
We'll always have night at the museum.
Focus, mummies. I mean, it's clear that we're not as valued as we should be.
No, yeah, you're right, Rashida. I guess I got too wrapped up in Rami's sexiness.
Like, that's how they get us. They distract us with one hot mummy to get us distracted from the fact that we're underrepresented.
It's time. We need to rise up and end the institutional discrimination against mummies. And now, a word from our sponsors, the Barnard Media Center.
Hi, my name is Ruby Masterdemus. I'm the Post-Baccalaureate Fellow for the Media Center and the Movement Lab, and I'm also from New Jersey.
Hello, I'm Carl Mary Cray, and I'm the Senior Administrative Assistant at IMATS, and I know someone from New Jersey.
Hey.
At the Media Center, we have a lot of resources which are available to students, staff, and faculty, and that includes our beautiful studio space, which is open for reservations Mondays through Fridays, 10 a.m. through 5 p.m.
And our studio has in-house equipment that's free for you to use during your reservation time. So that includes lights, tripods, gels, apple boxes.
Oh!
Oh wait, is that from The Sopranos?
That was my Polly Wellness, yeah.
Oh my god, okay, I'm watching season 5 right now.
I'm halfway through my second rewatch.
Wait, can we, oh wait, we shouldn't do this.
No,
okay,
no,
sorry.
okay,
never,
sorry,
okay, never
sorry.
mind.
So the policies for using the space are listed on the request form on our website. Basically, all we ask afterwards is that you're respectful of the equipment and you're generally respectful of the space and leave it just as clean as you found it.
Yeah, in other words, don't disrespect the big.
No! No!
Do we get it?
No,
It's
we're
from The
not doing
Sopranos.
this right now. In addition to our studio space, we also actually have an audio booth, which is great for like podcasting, interviews, singing even. Dominic Cayanesi.
The Media Center also has a post-production lab which has a variety of graphics programs and audio programs that you can use to edit your own projects.
He's saying shave my body, right?
No, he's saying shake my body.
No, it's shave my body. Computer, isolate. It's shave my body. Thanks, Audition.
So let us know if you need any help with any of the resources we listed today.
Additionally, you can always reach out to us, or me, for a tour of the studio space, or if you're ever curious about where they shot any of the episodes, there's a tour online you can buy. Don't do that one. I will show you where you need to go. It's fine, just ask me, reach out.
Don't stop.
What's going on? Is it supposed to end like that? Have enough people even seen that show?
Oh,
Okay, so I guess the train is still delayed. We don't really have a timetable on this one, so.
I mean, there's not really anything we can do. There's no rats we could fight, nor any trash that we could clean.
I guess we could do the news?
After 2 years, Robert Mueller has finally released his report on the inquiry into Russia's interference with the U.S. government. It's essentially 300 pages that reach no conclusion. Your typical senior thesis.
The International Olympic Committee is considering 4 new sports for the 2024 Summer Paris Games, including skateboarding, surfing, breakdancing, and climbing. This is a huge win for Californians, who said that the decision was, quote, hella sick.
Hi, sorry.
Oh, if you
Sorry,
like-
I got this one.
Oh.
If you like the Olympics and also Mario and Sonic, you can look forward to the upcoming title, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games, Tokyo 2020 edition, coming soon to the Nintendo Switch, which retails for $299.
Are we sponsored?
No, we're not sponsored, and I have no commentary. I just think the games are delightful.
All right. A new report by the Washington Post says that young men in their 20s are having less sex than ever. Great job, ladies. Let's keep up the good work.
According to sources, the NASA all-female spacewalk was canceled due to lack of availability of properly fitting suits. And then
This problem has certainly never stopped Sonic before, who, up until this upcoming title, competed completely nude.
Are you sure this isn't sponsored?
Yeah, no, not sponsored, but Nintendo, if you're looking to hire me, my number is... I am graduating soon, and I would love to be employed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kristen. Up next, we have our musical guest that we're very excited about.
Awksymoron is here! Woo!
Goddess of wisdom, you can't always avoid how something once made you feel. And just because it is not what you want, don't make it any less real. How do you deal when the thing you want so bad is not the same as what you need? I am spiraling and I'm stressed and I don't see a point. This was always grounded in finality. Goddess of wisdom, you look surprised, but you saw this coming all along. I've come to find that you can strategize, but that doesn't always make you strong. Map out an endless list of ways our talk could go, and it almost feels like I am in control. But I see your heart is in a different place from mine, and I am falling fast into a cold, familiar hole. Goddess of wisdom, you're not as wise as you always thought you were. I'm letting go of what was never mine, and somehow that still hurts. Goddess of wisdom, you're not as wise as you always thought you were. I'm letting go of what was never mine, and I know
Cynthia, it is so nice to have you here. Me and your brother have really missed you.
Ew, Mom, come on.
No, seriously. And, as long as we are here, there's something I'd like to talk about with you guys. After your dad left, I know things have been a little weird,
Actually, Mom, if you don't mind, I have an announcement.
Well, okay, yeah, go ahead, yeah.
Buckle up, because it's about to get really real.
Is everything okay? Okay.
You think you know the real me. However, the me you know is a facade, a stony prison built by the rules of society. I can hide no longer, however. Mom, Eric, I'm gay.
Oh, that's wonderful, sweetie. We're so okay.
And don't even think of trying to change me.
We wouldn't want to change you. We love you for who you are.
Yeah,
we
we're
love
really
you.
supportive.
You guys, are you listening to me? I'm gay.
Yeah, honey, we got it. Woo, yes. Okay, so how about I would love to give my announcement. If that's okay.
I see.
Okay, yeah.
You're brushing this off because you think it's just some college phase. Well, think again.
I didn't say that, but even if it was
Shh. I'm still talking. God, you are so complicit.
complicit?
Yeah, with your heteronormativity. You rubbed your straightness all over me, Mom.
I'm sorry if I...
Sorry isn't gonna cut it. You know, this struggle does not end with same-sex marriage and gay penguins. You know what? I'm gonna even the scales here. Eric, you're gay.
Huh?
Okay, honey, don't tell your brother his sexuality at the table, please. Thank you.
You mean like what you did to me? Yeah, no, not anymore. Eric, you're gay. You're gay.
Wow. I haven't really thought about it before, but wow, this is a moment of reflection.
No, you're supposed to... Damn it, Eric.
Okay,
No, thanks for giving me the opportunity to grow, sis.
okay, great, awesome. I would love to say my announcement now, if that's okay? Yes? Okay, great. So after a lot of soul searching...
Mom, I'm gay.
Okay, yes, Honey, I'm gay.
God, you really had to make this all about you, huh?
Once again, Awksymoron.
One, two, three, four. Pensamientos de ti me hacen imposible relajarme y no puedo escapar de ti y no puedo quedarme aquí. No te amo más, nunca preocupaste por mí. Si me amaras, entonces aún estarías aquí, aún estarías aquí. Parecer existir como nunca nos conocimos. Eres un extraño para mí. Tratemos de seguir así. No te amo más, nunca preocupaste por mí. Si me amaras, entonces aún estarías aquí, aún estarías aquí.
Okay, we are receiving word that the one train is no longer delayed.
The MTA issued an apology that stated, "This will happen again."
Anyway, thanks for watching.
It is now safe to close this video.